Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bread upma. This is a very quick breakfast recipe, very easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dhal, 1 dried red chilies, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chili slit and few curry leaves. Give all the ingredients a quick mix for a few seconds. Then to this add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute until the onions are translucent. Then goes in 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds. Then add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add quarter cup of water and mix it well until it comes to a boil. Cook for 2 minutes in medium flame until the masala dries up a little. Now our masala is ready, so go ahead and add 6 slices of bread cut into small pieces. Mix it well and make sure the masala is well spread in the bread pieces. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now our delicious bread upma is ready. Sprinkle some save on top and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this bread upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.